Hello everyone. So this is the tutorial about how to submit your assignment using GitHub. So let's move to github.com and yes. So the person who don't have account on GitHub, they may sign up there using entering the username, email ID, and password. And after that, account will be created. And the person who has account on GitHub, they'll just sign up by providing email ID and password. So yes, so this is the home page of GitHub where you will be making up a repository. So now we will make a repository by clicking here new. Okay, so we will name it repository around uh, assignment submission demo. Okay, so this you can keep it according to you, whatever you need. So repository name will be that, there is no restriction to it. And we will keep the repository public so that when you submit the link, people can see your what you have submitted, and you can add a readme file and you will create a repository. Okay, so after creating a repository, this is your repository. This is the inside part of your repository. Now what you have to do for some, and for suppose submitting a assignment of day one. So for that, you will go to add file and you will be here uploading files, and the submit assignments, whatever you have done in your local system or anywhere. So suppose let's take an example. This is my day one assignment. So what I'll rename it as day one or whatever you need. Okay. So I'll just drag and drop here. And as you see, it is getting uploaded, and day1.py, my first day one assignment file is uploaded here. And I can give a commit heading message like day one assignment submitted. Okay, so this is my commit message. And after that, I'll commit the changes over here. And you can see after processing my files, it will show here my day1.py. So my day one assignment is submitted. Now, how to submit it in, we will click here and see. We have got the link here. Okay, so this is the link that I want to, that we will be submitting as a day one. So we will copy this.
Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how you can watch a recorded session in the LMS. Also, how can you submit your assignment. So go to LetsUpgrade.in, click on login. Login by using your registered mail ID and password, and just doing the same thing right now. Okay, so after successful login, you would come to this page, guys. Okay, so what you have to do next, you have to hover over your name. It will show you a list of menu. Go to this programs menu, click on this programs menu, and it will take you to a dashboard where all the programs you have enrolled into would be shown. It will just take a moment and will be there. From those programs, you just have to select the program you want to watch the recorded sessions of. So here is a list of programs that I have enrolled into. I'll just quickly move down and I'll go to this Python for beginners because I want to watch a recorded session of this batch. So I'll click on start learning. So I'll be here. See, it will show you all this stuff like all the day one, day two recorded sessions. So click on any day. Let's say I want to watch the session. I had missed day 3 session. I want to watch it. So click on day 3 and you'll be here. And this is the place where you can watch the recorded session of day 3. Click play. Click here on the video and it would be played, guys. Yeah, and the video has started. This is how you can watch the session. You can just maybe click here. I can forward it. Okay, so this is how you can watch your session. Now, how can you submit your assignment? On the right side, guys, you can see the assignment tab, right? Click here, and here you can paste the GitHub repository link. You already have seen how to create GitHub repository and copy that link, just paste it here. If you want to put some additional details, this is the place where you can do, and just click on save, and yes, you have submit your assignment for day 3. If you want to submit assignment for day 4, do the same process, go to the day 4 video, and on the assignment tab, you put your GitHub link, repository link there. So that's how you can assignment. That's how you can submit your assignment, guys. Okay, and below it, if you scroll down, you'll see the community group all details post. Basically, all the details regarding this batch would be submitted here. You can click more, and yes, it will show some more details about here. Even you would find the link for this video there. This is not the link right now, but yes, it would be updated. I hope you understood, guys, how to submit your assignment and how to watch the recorded videos in LMS. So that's it for this video. Thank you, everyone.